Markets are in a state of chaos after President Trump announced sweeping tariffs that went beyond what analysts were expecting. So, what's going on? Trump rolled out a 10% baseline tariff on all countries and reciprocal duties that reach as high as a 40% range for some countries. Experts say this is fueling fears of a recession, as tariffs are likely to boost inflation and that will drive up prices in the US on just about everything. The markets are also reacting to this announcement. Growth fears have hit stocks hard. The Dow fell 4%, the S&P 500 dropped nearly 5%, and the Nasdaq plunged 6% at close. Those are some of the steepest single-day losses since 2020 when the pandemic shook up Wall Street. Investors are now rushing to bonds, fearing the fallout from tariffs. The 10-year US Treasury yield hit its lowest point since October, and traders feel strongly that the Fed will have to cut rates to help boost the economy. Another safe bet that people rush to is gold. It initially spiked, but then gave back some of those gains. Oil markets weren't spared either. Like crude prices dropped by 7%, and globally, oil prices also saw a 6% dip. The US dollar index also dropped 2% Thursday morning. Normally, the currency would benefit from the inflationary effect of higher tariffs. But the trade war has instead boosted expectations that the Fed will cut rates due to weaker economic growth, and that is dampening sentiment around the dollar's strength. Looking ahead, there are key dates that Wall Street will be keeping an eye on. The baseline 10% tariff kicks in on April 5th, with higher rates following on April 9th, so the market turmoil may not be over just yet.